Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening the presentation you want to change and going straight to the Design tab. Click the Themes gallery and hover to preview how colors and fonts update your slides. This keeps your flow intact. Once you find a base theme you like, choose Browse for themes if you have a custom THMX file. Make sure to apply the theme to all slides or selected slides now so the look is consistent. This first step locks in structure before you modify layouts or colors. Now customize the theme so it fits your brand or message. Use variants to tweak colors, fonts, effects, and background styles. Adjusting one element helps keep balance across slides. Then open Slide Master to edit layouts, placeholders, and footers. This step guarantees consistency when you add content. Once your changes look right, save the result as a custom theme via Save Current Theme. That way you can reuse it in other decks and ensure the visual system remains identical across presentations. Finish by applying the theme to the intended slides and reviewing every slide type. You should inspect embedded objects, charts, and imported slides for mismatched colors or fonts so they conform to your theme. Once done, make final tweaks in Slide Master and save a backup copy. If things go wrong, use Undo immediately or reapply your saved theme. If persistent, open a new presentation and import slides. While choosing Keep Source Formatting versus use Destination Theme to control outcomes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.